So in this video, I will show you how to add transition between two images in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now I have this, as you can see now, I have this image and this one. So if I want to add the transition between them, so now I will go select the first image. After you select the first image, so make sure you turn on this magnet. So after you turn on this magnet, make sure now you just only have to make sure you link the first image with the second image. There is no gap between them. After that, select the first image, go to transition. After you go to transition, now go ahead and find the transition effect you want to use. For me, I want to use this glitch. So I'll just click on this plus button. So the transition will be added to the image. As you can see now, here is the transition. If I play, so I can see here now. If you want to change the duration of the transition, just click on the transition and then go to this option and change the duration like this. So if you want to change the transition, so you click on the first image, just then go and find the transition you want to change. Let's say I want to change it to this one. So I'll just go ahead now and click on this plus button. From there, it will change the existing one. Or you can just go and drag it like this. So if you drag it from there, it will change the existing one to the new one that you added. And that, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.